Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video is all about Formula One cars, and we're looking at unboxing this Hot Wheels F1 5-pack as well as these two basic releases, Williams Racing and Oracle Red Bull Racing. Let's go ahead and get these cars out of the packs and look at them individually. I'm also going to move this bad boy to the side and put him on the turntable and give you guys a closer look and an overall 360 look. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this singles first, these two singles first, and I'll start off with the Oracle Red Bull Racing one. That's the car out of the pack, or the blister packaging, guys. We got to keep in mind these are the basic releases, pretty cheap, but kudos and hats off to Hot Wheels. They've done a fantastic job. And just to remind you guys, they're going to bring these out as premiums, a bit pricey and expensive, but they reckon the detailing is way better and a lot clearer and highly detailed. So keep an eye out for those guys. But for a basic, this is way too good. No complaints whatsoever. The ads, the livery, the color scheme, it's just pristine, guys. I'm really loving this model. And that's the Oracle Red Bull Honda Formula One. And even the premium ones are going to be 1/64 scale. And thanks to newer 3D scanning technology and printing technology, they're able to deliver pretty outstanding models. So that's the first one we're looking at, the Oracle Red Bull Racing Formula One. Pretty nice, guys. All right, let's look at the Williams Racing one now. That's the Williams Racing one, guys. Pretty neat as well. I'm loving the livery and the color scheme. It's got a beautiful royal blue. The other one was more like a navy blue. You can have a look at them both together. And back to the Williams one. Pretty neat, pretty detailed for a basic release. It's got nice Duracell, MyProtein, Gulf, Komatsu. Just pretty neat, guys. Very outstanding. So in love with these guys. Finally, Hot Wheels released the Formula One, a proper Formula One release, because they normally have their Formula Ones. They look more like fantasy cars. But this one, they paid like proper tribute to the Formula Ones. Okay, I'm not going to put these on the turntable yet. I'm going to open the 5-pack, look at those ones individually, and then I can probably put each one on the turntable and give you guys a proper look. I'm just going to try and line them up over here. Okay, let's move on to the 5-pack now. These guys are selling out like hotcakes, guys. I can imagine why for a basic release, but it's still a 5-pack. Pretty good decals, decently detailed, pretty good color liveries as well, and color schemes. You've got the McLaren, you've got the BWT Alpine F1 team, you got the Visa RB Kick Sauber team, and you've got the MoneyGram Haas Formula One team. I'll get them out of the pack and look at them one by one. Okay, that's the cars out of the blister pack packaging, guys. So you got the first one, McLaren, BWT Alpine, Visa RB, Kick Sauber, and the MoneyGram. That's the McLaren, guys. Quite nice. Pretty basic, but still pretty nice. I can't wait to get my hands on the premium ones, but I've heard they're going to be pricey. And there's about 4, 5, or even 6 to collect. I might just grab 1 or 2. Because as you can see, I've already got pretty much a massive 1:10 scale from Costco, a remote control one. Then I've got these little Bibaragos. Then I've got these huge Bibaragos from Costco. I've got Oracle Red Bull. Then I've got the Petronas AMG Mercedes. Then I've also got the Ferrari Formula Ones. And then I've got a couple more Bibaragos 143 scale, Alfa Romeo, and Aston Martin. Then I've got another Petronas AMG Mercedes remote control. So I might just grab 1 or 2 from the premiums. But yeah, quite happy with my collection. And that one's a premium as well. 1:18 scale Jaguar. Pretty well detailed. So whenever the premiums do release, I might just grab 1 or 2. Alright, back to the basic 5-pack. Second one is the Alpine BWT. I like the finish on these guys. Pretty sleek. Pretty aerodynamic. There's a little driver in there as well, but not detailed. Next one is a Visa BBR. It's got a nice blue color scheme. And yeah, red rims as well. Really nice, guys. Fourth one in the pack is a Kick Sauber Team Formula One car. Green rims. Beautiful black, white, and green color scheme. Quite detailed decals. Overall, an awesome release from Hot Wheels. Okay, last one out of the 5-pack is a Haas MoneyGram Formula One team. It's got white rims on that one. Pretty neat, once again. Sometimes makes me wonder why it took Hot Wheels this long to produce these in such a beautiful livery, color scheme, and detailing. Okay, that's the 7 cars from today's unboxing. 2 were the singles, and then you got the other 5 from the 5-pack. I'll put them on the table one by one so you guys can have a closer look. Alright guys, first car on the turntable is the Williams Racing Formula One. I hope you guys can look at it. Next one is the Alpine BWT. The next one I got on the table is the Oracle Red Bull Racing with beautiful yellow rims. I do watch the F1 Grand Prix, guys, but not a big fan of watching the entire races or the laps and who the previous Grand Prix winner is. But I used to kind of follow the favorite when Michael Schumacher was racing. But ever since he retired, had the accident, I just watch on and off. But I am a big fan of these F1 models, the aerodynamic designs, the stability, the traction control, the speed, the power, raw power. Just magnificent creations, guys. And I've only seen one in real, like in person, and that was in Kuala Lumpur with the twin Petronas towers. They had a massive Formula One AMG stuck to the ceiling. If you scan through my videos on the channel, you probably see that as a short and even a long video. I've done a close-up of it from both the underside as well as the top and the front. It was a full-scale, real-life Formula One car hanging off the wall in a slanting position, and pretty amazing to watch it up close. Okay, I've put the McLaren one now on the turntable, guys. This one's got a nice bronze or copper color rims to it, and nicely detailed for a basic. It's got some more ads on it, chrome, Cisco, and whatnot. Next one I got, guys, is the Kick Sauber F1 team. Nice green rims on this one. There's a fair bit of detailing as well. Second last Formula One car from today's unboxing video is the Visa BRB. Nice red rims on this one. Last Formula One car on the turntable is the Haas Monogram or Monogram Haas Formula One team. Another good release with white rims. Oh, they've also got Chipotle on the decals. That was my favorite Mexican restaurant in the States. I'm hoping it's the same one. Alright guys, that's all the cars we unboxed today and had a look at individually as well as on the turntable. So that was the Monogram Haas Formula One team, the Williams Racing, the BWT Alpine, McLaren, Oracle Red Bull Racing, Kick Sauber team, and last but not least the Visa RB team, Formula One team. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay blessed. If you like what you watch, please do subscribe and like the video, guys. God bless you all, and see you guys in the next video.